Y'all hit up Jiggy for your videos. Stupid.
Out here, man. Y'all see it, man. My boy Dmentid smoking that gas, man.
Yeah. Bamboo. When you
that
last
good
time
gas,
smoking
man.
Bamboo, bro?
That's a fact. Word.
Nah, but I'm not gonna front. It burned fast, but it hit hard, you heard?
Yeah.
Smack, bro.
Word, man. We just wrapped up a fire ass scene, bitch. Fire ass scene, as y'all can see.
Epic, a fucking movie for real.
This shit about to be crazy, y'all. We out here Soho with it, you know? This shit look like a movie already, bro. Watch when I throw the finishing touch, the edits. You know, a little few effects, not over flooded. Shit gonna be stupid. Word, bro.
Fucking epic, bro.
Got the good tripod out here. Man, Frodo, if you know, you know. Yo, we out here, we got the GoPro. Niggas got all type of shit out here, bro. We got the GoPro. This shit, 5K. You heard me?
This is just us two. Imagine when you get this man a team.
That's
Imagine
a
what
fact,
you
bro.
gonna get.
Looking at greatness, big. On both angles, greatness. That's it, man. Graffiti.
I'm talking about you. I said we did this just me and you. Imagine when you got a team. I'm talking about you.
Oh yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact.
Look what you're doing now.
That's a fact, bro. I appreciate that, man. You know?
You don't even know. Inspiration. It's inspiration on both ends. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, man. That's a fact, bro. Inspiration, man. Greatness. Yeah, this is it. We definitely gonna have to get the first shot right here. Word.
Rob wealthy white Americans at will.
We out here, man. GoPro and the gimbal joint, man.
Hold on. Get that shit right. Like I said, please no pissing or shitting. We live here.
Little hand movement or something.
Wake up, we late as fuck. Watch me self-destruct. Stuck behind this bus, watching traffic build up. Don't know where to go, so I just waited. Didn't think I was procrastinating. Thought I was being patient. Mistaken. These things that I know now. Wish that I had another go round. Wish that I did more how. I just feel so torn down.